Hi, my name is Ashish and I welcome to the new video in which we will configure the AWS CLI. In the last video, we downloaded and installed the AWS CLI to use with the AWS Lambda. In this video, we will see how to configure the AWS CLI to use it for any services that is present in the AWS. Head over to the command prompt, and after you have installed the AWS CLI, write in AWS configure. I hope you can see it. I've zoomed it. You have to type in AWS configure. After that, if you'll have to wait for some time for it to show you the options that you can enter. Until that time, let me log on to the console. I'm inside the console. Let me just quickly head over to IAM users. Let me make a user test AWS CLI so that I can remove it. I give them the programmatic access, AWS management core access, custom password. Make sure you remember it. Permissions. Just for the sake of this video, I'll make him the part of the administrative access. Tags I'm not adding. Review. Create a user. Okay. Here is the access key ID. Here is the secret access key ID. And if I'll go to the command prompt, still waiting on me. I'll still have to wait. Let me just pause the video and come back. Alrighty, so we'll have to have the access key ID here. Let me. Here I am. I'm going to copy it. Go to my command prompt. Paste it. It's asking me for the secret access key. I'm going to go. Click on show. Copy it. Paste it. Default region name. I'm going to go. I'm going to select Asia Pacific for Mumbai. I'm going to say Asia space in the bracket Mumbai. Default output format, I'm going to use JSON. This is how you configure the user profile. So every command that you'll run would run under this user that you have created. I've created a user and I've entered the access key ID and the secret access key and the default region. So every command that you'll run to configure buckets, VPC, subnets, route tables, internet gateways, your EC2 instances, security groups. There are some services that are run in the global portal like this. The IAM is run in the global, but if you go to, let's say you go to EC2. Then it will either can take you to Northern Virginia or any other region in which that service is available. You can select and start moving on. But this user profile that we have created, we have only created for Asia Pacific Mumbai region. So you will have to be inside this region to use that profile if you are using AWS CLI. So that helps you segregate different profiles to work with different regions when you are working in the production environment. And here is the documentation provided by Microsoft in which they have mentioned and that you can create quick configuration with multiple profiles. Like I created this profile for test CLI user. You can create it for different users, and you can have this switch -- profile user to or any user to have the configured under multiple profiles. All right. So if you would run only this command, but not mentioning any profile, it would run under the default profile. But if you will run the same command by mentioning the profile switch and the user for which you have created the profile, then it would use the settings. Settings mean the region and any other setting that you wanted to use for that specific profile. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. Please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.